To clarify po, ma'am, nandiyan po si Vice President, ma'am, no? Nandiyan po sa tabi ninyo si Vice President.
Yes, I called her. I called her kasi they just barged in eh. Pumasok lang talaga sila. Nakikita niyo ba yung katre din sa likod ko? Pinush ko po yan para hindi sila makapasok. Kasi I told them, I want my lawyers. I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. And then I told them to get out of this room. Because as a detainee of this facility, this is my space. And then when they left, I pushed that. Look at that. I pushed that by myself. I have a chronic backache. Because I am so scared. Dito eh. People have rights in this country.
Okay po, ma'am.
JC, I have a question. Is it okay to ask a question?